Greetings to my SIC 104 Lab Occurrence 3 lecturer, Dr. Lokahin, and my beloved classmate. The topic that I'm going to present today is data collection strategies and key findings in an experiment. In general, if we were to conduct an experiment with hypothesis, we will plan it ahead on how we should obtain the result of the experiment. Yes, there are many kinds of data analysis methods like observation, analysis of variance, trend analysis, and cross-tabulation. However, not all are suitable for particular experiment. In order to obtain the most relevant result in our experiment, first, we need to identify the variable of interest in the particular experiment. Variable of interest, also referred as the factors of the study, are controlled so that the data may be obtained about how the factors influences another variable. In general, the analysis method of data has been classified into two types, which is qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. Qualitative analysis is the process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting non-numerical data, such as changes in color of the solution. On the other side, quantitative analysis is the process of objectively collecting and analyzing numerical data to describe, predict, or control the variables of interest. In this presentation, the experiment that I'm going to use elaboration is experiment 5, molar conductivities of aqueous electrolytes. Let's have a short recap on the experiment. The objective of the experiment is to determine the conductivity of various acids and dissociation constant for acetic acid. In this experiment, a simple measurement system is set up. A conductivity probe and a microcomputer-based conductivity meter is used for the setup of the system. 4 solutions with different concentration is prepared: sodium chloride, sodium acetate, hydrochloric acid, and acetic acid. How we conduct the experiment is we put the conductivity probe into the solution to measure its conductivity. Right. So back to the topic. The conductivity will be our main focus of the experiment. Therefore, the most suitable method we can use to analyze the data is cross-tabulation. Data were recorded in table form for data that is mutually exclusive and have connection with each other. In short, it can be used to perform categorical data where the data can be divided into mutually exclusive groups. In this case, we can divide the data into rows. As you can see in the table, concentration 1 row, conductivity 1 row, and so on. From the table, we can see the connection between the data. So it allows for the identification of patterns, trends, and possibility within the data sets. In this example, you can see that we can use the data we obtain from the result to analyze and plot a graph out of it. After we plot the conductivity against square root of concentration graph, we can see how exactly concentrations are correlated to conductivity. Cross-tabulations allows for the comparison of existing data to determine the difference between experimental data and theoretical data. We can see it from the table where it shows us a clearer picture to compare how different it is between literature value and experimental value of conductivity of various solutions. In a nutshell, it is crucial to determine the most appropriate data analyzing method before conducting the experiment to allow the analyzing data process to be more effective. Thank you.